I am going to explain you the multiple choice questions on second law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is applicable to option A, microscopic system, B, macroscopic system only, C, homogeneous system, D, heterogeneous system. The correct option is macroscopic system only. The study of flow of heat or any other form of energy into or out of system undergoing physical or chemical change is called A, thermodynamics, B, thermokinetic, C, thermochemistry, D, thermochemical studies. The option A, thermodynamics. Mixing of two or more gases is a option A, non-spontaneous process, B, isothermal process, C, reversible process, D, spontaneous process. The correct option is option D, spontaneous process. A process which takes place on its own accord is called as A, reversible process, B, irreversible process, C, spontaneous process, D, non-spontaneous process. The correct option is spontaneous process. For exothermic reaction, entropy is A, negative, B, positive, C, 0, D, constant. The correct option is option B, positive. The SI unit of entropy is option A, joule per Kelvin, B, erg per degree, C, calories per degree, D, liter atmosphere per degree. The correct option is joule per Kelvin, that is option A, or sometimes it is called a joule per degree Kelvin. Entropy is a measure of dash of the molecule in the system. A, concentration, B, velocity, C, zigzag motion, D, randomness or disorder. The correct option is randomness or disorder. All the spontaneous processes are A, accompanied by external source, B, reversible and slow, C, unidirectional and instantaneous, D, occurred with heat energy. The correct option is option C, unidirectional and instantaneous. Entropy change for isothermal irreversible transformation is always option A, negative, B, positive, C, 0, D, constant. The correct option is B, positive. Entropy of the system is A, extensive property, B, intensive property, C, chemical property, D, thermochemical property. The correct option A, extensive property. The unit of entropy is option A, calories per Kelvin per mole, B, entropy unit, C, joule per Kelvin per mole, D, all of these. The correct option is D, all of these. During spontaneous process, entropy of the system A, decreases, B, becomes 0, C, increases, D, remains constant. The option for this increases, option C. The entropy change in isobaric process is given by option A, B, C, D. Isobaric means the pressure remains constant. The correct option is option B, delta S is equal to NCP ln of T2 upon T1. The entropy change in isochoric process is given by option A, delta S is equal to NCV ln of T2 upon T1, B, delta S is equal to NCP ln of T2 upon T1, option C, delta S is equal to NCV ln of V2 upon V1, option D, delta S is equal to NCP ln of P2 upon P1. The correct option is option A, delta S is equal to NCV ln of T2 upon T1. The entropy change in isothermal reversible process is obtained by option A, delta S is equal to R nR ln V1 upon V2, delta S is equal to nR ln T1 upon T2, delta S is equal to nRT ln P1 upon P2, option D, delta S is equal to nR ln V2 upon V1. The correct option is option D, delta S is equal to nR ln V2 upon V1. Entropy change of isothermal reversible process is always option A, positive, B, negative, C, 0, D, constant. The correct option for this is 0, is option C. The entropy change during vaporization is given by delta SV is equal to N into TB into delta HV, option B, option C, option D. The correct option is option B, delta SV is equal to N into delta HV upon TB. Fusion temperature of the salt is related with heat of fusion as option A, B, C, D. The correct option is option A. Physical transformation always occurs at A, constant volume, B, constant temperature, C, constant pressure, D, none of these. The correct option is option B, constant temperature. When two or more gases are mixed, then there is A, decrease in entropy, option B, zero entropy, option C, increase in entropy, option D, neither decreases nor increases in entropy occur. The correct option is option C, increase in entropy. Entropy of the system increases in the order of. Orders are given option A, B, C, D. Entropy is the measure of disorderness. So option will be option B. Entropy of mixing of two or more gas is mainly depends on mole fraction of the gases, volume of the gases, C, pressure of the gases, D, nature of the gases. The correct option is mole fraction of the gases. Entropy change during fusion is dash dash to fusion temperature of the system. A, directly proportional, B, inversely proportional, C, equal, D, twice multiple. The correct option is option B, inversely proportional. Entropy change during transition and heat of transition are A, equal, B, reverse of each other, C, directly proportional to each other, D, inversely proportional to each other. The correct option is option C, directly proportional to each other. Thank you.